Welcome to Melon Kids and Learning TV.
Merry Christmas!
Hey there, little elves! Today, we're diving into the world of Christmas magic. Let's learn Christmas vocabs. Hey there, little elves! Ho, ho, ho! Meet Santa, the ultimate cookie connoisseur. Can you say Santa Claus?
Hooray!
Step into the spotlight, our fluffy friends with antlers. Can you say reindeer?
Hooray!
Frosty, the snowman, loves warm hugs but has a hard time staying cool in the sun. Can you say snowman?
Hooray!
Santa's little helper is here, wearing pointy shoes and giggling like jingle bells. Can you say elf? Get ready to dazzle with our sparkly friend who loves to be dressed up. Can you say Christmas tree?
Hooray!
Meet the Gingerbread Man, sweet, speedy, and always ready for fun. Can you say Gingerbread Man? Time for colorful surprises. Unwrap your presents and let the joy begin. Can you say presents?
Hooray!
Introducing our stripy peppermint magic wand. Can you say candy cane? Check out the giant sock by the fireplace. It's a stocking. Can you say stocking?
Hooray!
Gear up for a friendly snowball battle. Can you say Snowball Fight? Gather round as we dive into the world of twinkling
Hooray!
wonders. Can you say Christmas light?
Merry Christmas!
Gather